Jackson's first birthday. Let's get a shot of his cake. There you go. See how cute it is? Happy birthday, Jackson. Go down a little bit. There's the birthday boy. He's interested in getting his cake. McKenna trying to put, attempting to put on Jackie's birthday hat. Jackson!
Yeah, give him his present.
Jackson! Here you go, baby. Here you go. There you go. There he is. Jackson! Jackson! Oh. There he wants some cake. Put it.
Wait a minute, we'll get part of it.
Oh, there you go, baby. Open your present. Oh, where you going with it? Where you going? What are you doing? Come on, Jackie. Open it up. Come on, baby. Just get it. There you go. There you go. It's like, what is this crap? He's peeing, guys. He's peeing right on the floor. There's Jackson in his little birthday hat. He loves it so much. Happy birthday, Jack.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. Hold him up more. Okay. There it is. Is it good, Jackie? Is it good?
Jackson, can I have some cake?
Jackson!
You like that, right? It's yummy. I like being one. What am I gonna get when I'm two? Jackson, come here, baby. Yum. That looks good. That good? Oh, yummy. It's good, isn't it?